Hi everyone, my name is Matt Laszaic. I'm here representing ARMO from the 2023 SEMA show. We're in LEED Brakes' booth. We're with Bill Cummings here, and we just got a few quick questions for him. He's one of our ARMO partners, and we wanted to see how things are going. How's everything going today, Bill?
Good, very good. It's been a great show, a lot of people, great conversations.
Fantastic, fantastic. Anything new products or anything you have going that you're excited about?
Yeah, we've got a lot of new products, heavy into the C10 markets, a lot of brake boosters, rear disc brake conversion kits, some new aluminum calipers that we've come out with, and some great new products coming for 2024.
That's fantastic. Yeah, that C10 market is it's blowing up right now.
Absolutely.
It's crazy. So, any good partnerships that you guys have going with anybody, or things that anybody want to shout out while you're here today?
Yeah, we've got a lot of great distributors that have come by. And we're just bringing on more and more, doing a lot more advertising. You'll see a lot more social media influencers carrying our product and pushing out that brand.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. So, well, one last question we have for you today is, how do you like being part of ARMO and being part of our group?
It's great. You know, there's a great core group of people that we can rely on for information within the industry. Everybody's kind of on the same path, and to be able to share that information and grow this market, grow this industry together works great.
Oh, that's fantastic. We appreciate you being part of ARMO. We appreciate you taking a few minutes. I know it's absolutely crazy. Today's the open day, so there's people everywhere. Yep. So, but we appreciate you taking out the time, and thank you so much for having us on here. So awesome. Thanks, guys. Make sure you check out everything. If you need anything from LEED Brakes, make sure you check them out online or check out SEMA ARMO. We'll be having anything we need.